She is about to completely roll over. She got herself this far, and now she's trying. I looked over, and she was in this position. She just got to move her right arm. And I had to pick up the camera to document this, because I think she's going to do it. She is determined. She's been working at it for a while. She first started with her body facing the couch this way, and then she ended up sideways, and then she ended up where she is now. So she's been kind of rolling around, but not actually flipped over. She's kind of frustrated. She's going to do it, though. She's got to move that arm, and she will have officially rolled over. There she goes! Woo! Yeah, that was totally cheesy, but I'm pretty excited for her. Yay! I need to go fix her because she's in a predicament. Alright.